On this episode of Booty Tits, we're going to use this digital microscope and put it on my face to look at all the gross stuff we can find. Okay, here it is. This digital microscope, it cost about $20-ish on Amazon Prime. There's a lot of different models. This was Amazon's choice, so that's why I picked it. And it was one of the cheaper ones. It only shoots at 640 by 480. There are other ones that say they record at a higher resolution, but I kind of doubt it because they all look very similar. They almost look exactly the same, and they're all about the same price. I think it's the software that determines how it's recorded. I downloaded the software for the other models, the ones that say they record in higher resolutions. They do record in a higher resolution, but I don't think the actual picture is actually a higher resolution picture. I think it's just blown up. It's just, I feel like it's like a 640 by 480 resolution blown up and recorded at 1080p or higher. But in that software where you could record in a higher resolution, the frame rate drops dramatically and it looks crappy. This model is Jusun. I'll put an affiliate link in the description below so you can buy it and I can make 20 cents or whatever it is. All right, let's plug it in. Okay, I am pretty pissed off because this is my 4th time shooting this video. The first time earlier today when I started off around noonish, I scanned my face with this USB microscope, digital microscope, showed you guys all the cool gunk in my face for like 20-30 minutes. But then I realized I forgot to hit record on the software for this thing, this stupid camera. Second time, I ran out of space on this camera. Fuck. Then the third time, I overwrote the files because the software sucks for this camera microscope, digital microscope thing. Sucks. Then once I thought I had it all settled down, I realized that the camera's software, this microscope software, is using a variable bitrate. So when I'm putting that video onto this video and try to sync it up, it's all fucked up. It doesn't line up. Even though I try to stretch and squeeze and it doesn't fucking... Okay, so now I'm just gonna use OBS. Just use OBS. If you get this camera, this microscope, digital microscope. Use OBS. I'm gonna remember to hit record. I'm gonna start recording now. I did a little test earlier, it worked. It says it's recording. So let's do it. This is my chin. I'm gonna make this real fast because I'm kind of pissed off how much time I spent on this video already. But as you can see, there's some cool stuff. There's a little focus ring here. There's hairs. There's things that look like clogged pores. See those clogged pores? Cool, right? Yeah, I was trying to show you that fucking 10 hours ago. Okay. I'm just gonna scan along my face. See how, like, that's cool how there's gunk hanging on that hair right there? Cool, right? I better be fucking recording this. I hope the fucking mic is on. Everything. Okay, I'm gonna move under my lip. Ooh. Look at this guy. Gross, right? And you're saying, Jason Lamb, your face is so gross. But is it really? It's not really that gross. My face is not really that gross. If you look at it in real life, it's not that gross. Alright. Look at this area. This area is kind of gross. Surprisingly gross for not seeming to be gross. See, look at that shit. It looks like you just pluck it out. See that? It looks like you just pluck it out. But you can't. Like, if I did this, it's still there. Wherever that one is. I don't know where it went on my face, but See, like, this stuff is still there. In comparison, let me show you my hand. You don't see that stuff. Gotta refocus. You don't see that stuff, that gross, these clogged pores. Oh, blood. I didn't kill anyone. Okay, let me show you my sideburns. If we're lucky, we might find a gray hair here. There we go. Nice white hair. Okay, I'm gonna show you something cool. If I stick it on my head, this is really cool. Look at it. They look like metal steel rods. And I had a joke I was gonna say earlier, how I could see how this could be like a tool video somehow if you add some claymation, stop motion thing. It's not really a funny joke. I thought it was funny 10 hours ago, but it's not funny anymore. Anyway, that's cool. I'll show you my forehead. Gotta refocus. Look at all that hair on my forehead. These tiny hairs. It's like more hair on my forehead than on my arms. There's like a little zit or something. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. This is where you go blind if you point it in your eye. Just my eyebrows. I'm gonna save the nose for last because I had a joke earlier that I knows that's what you want to see. So I'm gonna save it for last, the best for last. And I also wanted to ask you guys, see, I have this thing here. What the heck is that? This used to be a freckle about 5 years ago, but then it turned into a mole or something. But can someone who is a YouTube doctor or something, can you tell me, it's hard to, where is it? Here it is. Does this look like cancer? Let me turn it right side up, I guess. Does that look cancerous to you guys? Let me know in the comments below if that's cancer. There's another piece here. Yeah. Is that cancer? Gotta focus. Yes. Alright, I have another piece up here that is like a little red thing. I thought it was a pimple a long time ago, but I wonder if that's cancer, if someone can tell me. I've had this for a few years too. See if I can find it. I don't know. I guess I'll never know because I can't show you guys. I won't know if it's cancer or not. I'll show you my mouth, my tongue. This is cool. Cool, right? It's my tongue. My teeth. Surprisingly white on this camera. You can see some stains. Some whiskey stains, I think. Yeah, I gotta clean that up. Or start drinking whiskey. I mean, not whiskey, vodka. Start drinking vodka instead of the whiskey. All right, cool. Now I'll show you this area. This area I got gunk. Look at that. This is an old pimple that never went away. That thing. some good. Let me show you the other side. I think I got more stuff on this side. Oh, there you go. There's some stuff. Nasty, right? But if you looked at my face in real life, you wouldn't really, oh, that's, he doesn't look like he has that in his face. But I do, and you do too. Just get one of these and you can see. Okay, on to my nose. This is the tip of my nose. Ooh, look at that one. It looks wet, like a puddle. Here we go. And also, I actually did a video earlier today, which that's gonna suck because I used the camera, I used the software from this to shoot that video. Anyway, I did a blackhead nose strip for that video, and I did all the before and after stuff. So I already did the blackhead strips on here, but as you can see, there's still lots of stuff on crud. There's lots of crud still gunked up on my nose. Maybe it looked worse before. I don't remember. As you can see here, there's still gunk that the blackhead strips didn't pull out. So, yeah. I wish I could have showed you before what it looked like. Before I fucked up all these videos and did the blackhead strips. Blame the people who made this, the software. Stupid people. Anyway. This is kind of cool. I don't know. Fuck this shit. I give up. I don't want to do anymore. This sucks. Okay, is there a moral to this story? I don't know. I know that I fucked up so many times today, and it sucks. I just want to be done with this video. That's my booty tip for the day. Alright, bye.